front's gonna come down. Straight.
Ooh. Sliding. Oh, shoot.
Back out, slipped out. You ain't going to the right spot.
That friggin' thing's a beast.
Yeah, it really is.
If I sat down like that, I couldn't get back up.
Right there, straight. Okay, do a drop.
His wheel's turning.
Okay, come straight. Just like you are. There wasn't kind of like a kick for it. Just a little bit, not a lot. A little bit right. 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 Hold on. Hold on. You need to back up and get over to the right just a little bit so that it drops down. Once it drops down, take it left. There you go. Now to the right. A little bit more. Like that. Hold on.
He said he's going to name it.
Now the right front's going to come down. Hard. Keep your foot on the brake. It's going to come down.
Oh my gosh. This is freaking insane. Wow.
Hold it right.
Wow.
You need to get up. You're right. See like you are. Okay, now the right front's going to start coming up. You need to turn a little bit left if you can.
Wow.
Hold on. You gotta stop it. Yeah, awesome or what?
That's insane, yeah. Yeah, I want to get behind them.
Toby, now, you got it. Hold on. Dude, you got it. I'm going to almost my whole arm like No, don't put it in the car. We're taking all the pictures you need. Yeah.
What year is that Jeep?
Where's the 99?
Oh.
What? Do I need to back up to get a better angle?
No.
No, I think you'll be all right. We put a ring in your hand. You need to turn left a little bit, though. If at all possible. Okay, now the left rear is going to keep coming up. Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Get a picture down because that's what I have right now.
Both sides is insane.
What does that side look like over there?
His ass end might drop off.
Can you cut it right at all? Cut right. You cut right.
His ass end might drop off.
It's about to drop into a hole. Try to turn. There you go.
Whoa.
Try to turn this way. You can't.
She's going over.
You need to. Probably need to slide over there.
Push his mirror in. Push his mirror in.
right over here, kind of like. Oh, that's the door.
He's having door. He's gonna bang up his door. David, I can't see you. Move. Yeah, he's on his door. His back tire popped out on this angle.
There's no steering thing to fuck you up.
See, the thing is, go back.
The back tire needs to come up.
That side's dropping down and it's pushing into that rock. Because this side's coming up and this side's coming up.
Turn around this wheel up there on this rock.
Watch that side over there. Right?
He's on his rub rail. His tire though, there it goes. Good. That's good. David's an awesome spotter.